In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add extensions in the Firefox browser quickly and easily. Extensions can help you block ads, manage passwords, improve privacy, boost productivity, and customize Firefox to work the way you want. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple browser tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the menu button. Click on that menu to open the Firefox options. From the menu, select Extensions and Themes. This will take you to the Add-Ons area where you can browse and manage Firefox extensions. Once the Extensions and Themes page opens, click on Extensions. This is where you can search for and install new add-ons for your browser. Now, use the search bar to look for any extension you want. For example, if you want a free VPN, type free VPN into the search bar and press enter. Firefox will show you a list of available extensions related to your search. Take a moment to review the options and click on the extension you want to install. On the extension page, you'll see details about what it does, what permissions it needs, and user ratings if available. After you've chosen the one you want, click Add to Firefox. Firefox will then ask you to confirm the installation. Click Add to finish installing the extension. In just a few seconds, the extension will be added to your browser and ready to use. Depending on the extension, it may appear in your toolbar, or you may need to open it from the extensions menu. And that's it. You've now learned how to add extensions in Firefox browser. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one.